Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix Play Store crashing problem on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Play Store crashing problem on phone, first open up your settings app on your phone guys, and after opening settings on your phone guys, scroll down and search for apps button over here or the apps option, and then tap on it. And after opening your apps guys, at the top of the screen you can see your app management. Tap on the app management button guys, and look for Google Play Store by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen. And after Google Play Store appears guys, let's open it. And after opening your Google Play Store on this interface guys, first either check is your Google Play Store's cache storage too much. To do that, you can see the storage usage option over here. Tap on storage usage and you can see the cache option available for us over here. Since I had cleared my cache memory on Google Play Store recently, it's not showing too much, but in your case, if it's too much, try clearing your cache memory over here. By doing that guys, your memory popping up or piled up on Google Play Store will get cleared and it will start to run smoother. And with that being said guys, but after doing this and checking your Google Play Store, if it still crashes, you can see the force stop button available for us over here. Try tapping on the force stop button to stop the Google Play Store and open it to restart it from the start. And that being done guys, all of the problems that were causing the Google Play Store to lag might be restarted and fixed. And on the another step, all you can do is either to check for an update on the Google Play Store itself. To do that guys, open up your Google Play Store app on your phone. At the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings option at the bottom of the screen guys, just above help and feedback. And after that, on this interface again, tap on the about section at the bottom of the list, and over here you can see the update Play Store button. Try tapping on the update Play Store button. In my case guys, my Play Store app is up to date, but in your case, if your Google Play Store requires an update, that might be causing your Google Play Store to lag because it's out of date. So try updating your Google Play Store, and after trying all of these options guys, if it still does not run as smoothly as you want, you can see on this interface again at the storage usage, there is the clear data option available for us. If you tap on the clear data button guys, all of your information on Google Play Store will be wiped out and it will be reset like new. You will have to log into each of the account on the Google Play Store which you use on Play Store, and that will solve your problem, that will solve the Google Play Store crashing problem on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to fix Google Play Store crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.